Living in a small space can be challenging, especially when it comes to storage. But with the right tools, you can maximize your storage space and keep your home organized. Meet the cotton rope basket. This versatile and stylish storage solution is perfect for small spaces. Use cotton rope baskets to store your clothes, shoes, and accessories. They are durable and can handle heavy loads. Use them to store books, magazines, and other reading materials. They can be easily moved from room to room. Use them as a laundry hamper to keep your dirty clothes off the floor. They are easy to carry to the laundry room. Use them to store your kitchen supplies, such as utensils, towels, and small appliances. They are easy to access and add a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. With cotton rope baskets, you can maximize your small space storage and keep your home organized and stylish. Get your cotton rope baskets today and start organizing your home.